Hello student, welcome to SST class. Today we'll discuss the D section answer of the following question from your chapter number 3, celebrating our diversity. This is second video and we'll do the question answer here. So student, carefully listen and write the answer. I'll share the answer here. You just listen the answer by watching this video and write in your copy. So first question is here: what is the importance of participating in school stage programs? This is the question, and the answer will here: participation is more important than winning of the any events. Yes, I'm repeating, participation is more important than winning of the any event. We used to perform in school stage programs. It gives us confidence, knowledge, fun, etc. It gives us confidence, knowledge, funds, etc. This is your answer of the first question. Then second question. Come to the second question. How is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated in Maharashtra? We have discussed thoroughly these things. How is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated in Maharashtra? The answer is here. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in Maharashtra for few days, mainly in the month of August and September. The idols are the images of Ganesh taken home and worshipped with kumkum, flowers, fruits, and sweets. After celebration, the images were taken out in a procession for Visarjan or immersion into a river or sea. This is your answer of the second question. Then third question. Mention any three important features of Navratri celebration. Mention any three important features of Navratri celebration. So student, answer is here. Listen. The first one, first feature, the young goddess Durga worship in Navratri. Second, the period is considered an auspicious time to start new ventures. And third, the third features of this answer of this question, people worship young girls as goddess Durga and offer them puri, halwa, chanes and other gifts on the 8th day, or you can say this is Ashtami. This was your answer of the third question. Then fourth question, how do people of Kerala celebrate the homecoming of their beloved king? This celebration is mainly celebrated as Onam, and the legend king Mahabali is famous in this celebration. So listen the answer for this question. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It marks the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali. Also, it celebrates preparing of various types of curries, kotu, papadam, rice, mango pickles, and coconut chutney, and also performing dances celebrating the Onam or welcoming the homecoming of their beloved king, legend Mahabali. This is the answer of the fourth question. Then fifth question, Eid ul-Fitr is a day of joy and thanksgiving. Explain. Answer for this question. Ramadan is a month long fasting when Muslim offer. Ramadan is a month long fasting when Muslims offer salat, means prayers, recite Quran, follow good behavior, and donate for the needy. Eid ul-Fitr is a day of joy and thanksgiving. It is also a day of forgiving and forgetting ill feelings towards others. This was your answer of the fifth question. Then come to this sixth question. Sixth question, how is Navroz celebrated in India? How is Navroz celebrated in India? Answer of this question is here. Navroz celebrates by clean and decorate. Navroz celebrates by clean and decorate homes with rangolis made of jasmine and rose flowers by Parsis. Parsis wish Sal Mubarak to each other and exchange gifts during the Navroz celebration. This was your answer of the sixth question. Then the last question, 7 number. What is the significance of Dasara? What is the significance of Dasara? Answer is here. Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated as Dasara for 10 days. This period is considered an auspicious time to start new ventures. The people will wear new dresses and purchase many things during the puja seasons and enjoy in the puja celebration. The festivals ends when the effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghanath are set afire to celebrate the victory of good over evil. This is your answer of 7 number question. So today we have answered the D sections for all the questions. This is too much. And one thing is here, value based question. This is value based question. Did these things. Festivals are time of fun, frolic, family get together. Each festivals gives us a message. Write down the name and the value that you learn from your favorite festival. Any of the festival you learn, you enjoy. Okay, you learned, you enjoy. What are the things you learned? What are the which way you enjoy? One of the festival is select and write for that festival the time of fun, frolics, family get together, and everything. The what are the message of celebrating this festival? You have to write in value based question. You do just in your copy. Okay. For today this is too much. Thank you and have a nice day.